Hello friends, how are you all? I hope you all are good. Today I have come again Brahmaputra, near Brahmaputra, just to visit. Look at Brahmaputra. Today I came to Dibrugarh and I thought of visiting Brahmaputra for the second time. I have come near Brahmaputra and today the weather is very pleasant. It's cloudy, although little sunshine is there and the wind is blowing, and it's very lovely to see the scenic beauty of this place. So friends, you can see the lanes near Brahmaputra, and it was really pleasant walking all through, enjoying the beauty of nature, feeling the cool breeze. So you can see this colony also near Brahmaputra. These are the government colonies, and there are many street lights over here. It looks really wonderful during evening and at night. I'm showing you the beauty of this Brahmaputra. You can see the sky above, blue sky with the trees and the cattle. You can see in the fields they're grazing, and the Brahmaputra is really looking very beautiful. Indeed, Assam is very beautiful. Friends, if you like my video, please give a like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.